Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos, and we're going to start this project off today with these two little crates that I got from Dollar Tree. These are newer, they just got there, I don't know, within the last couple of months. And I'm going to paint them with chalk paint in the color Celery, and it's Waverly chalk paint. I even painted the bottoms and the back. You don't really have to do the back for this project, but I did anyway. And then I painted sort of kind of down on the inside of the crate. Not fully painted the inside of the crate, but just down on the inside edges. And I did that on both crates. So once I had those all painted, I am going to set those aside, and I'm going to use this board that I got at Dollar Tree. Also, it's just a plain sign, and I am going to paint the edges of that with the same color Celery paint. And I'm just going to paint around the whole frame. I even did the edges, and then I did get inside of the edges, like in the center, but you don't have to do that. Once my paint was fully dry, I'm going to take my sign and the crates, and I'm going to sand off all of the edges. So just go around quickly and hit all the edges. It didn't take much effort to pull off what I wanted to with the sander. And just making sure that I got all edges of the crate, the tops and the sides, and even along the bottoms of them. And once I had them all sanded, I'm going to take some antique wax and go around the edges of the crates. And then I'm going to take a baby wipe and kind of wipe off some of the stain around the edges. And then I'm going to also use the baby wipe to kind of pull off some and put it in the center of the crates. So as you can see, I did it in the center, and then I'm going to take the wet side of the baby wipe and just kind of wipe off all of the excess, because I didn't want these to be too dark, because I still wanted to see that celery color, but I wanted them to have an aged look. And again, I'm going to do the same thing with the sign. And I just kind of went back and forth with the wax between the applicator and the baby wipe till I got the look that I wanted. So once everything was all dry and all stained, I am going to take this one crate and I'm going to glue it to the very bottom of this sign. And this is going to go right to the very bottom. So this could stand on its own if it wanted to, or you can hang it. I had taken the hanger off of the sign and I added it to the back side for the vertical way instead of hanging it horizontally. I'm going to glue that second crate about halfway up the sign, just so that they were evenly spaced apart. And then once I had those both glued on, I am going to add some of this greenery that I got at Hobby Lobby, and this is my favorite greenery. I think it is so beautiful. I don't know the name of it, but it was $7.99, and then when you get the 40% off, it ends up being $4 and some change. And you get quite a lot in one bundle. And once you have these all filled up, this project is done, and I think it turned out so super cute. I love it. I chose the greenery because I liked how it looked with the color of the celery paint. If you want, you could use flowers. You could use any greenery that you have. It's totally up to you to personalize this and make it your own. I hope you enjoyed this project. I think it turned out absolutely amazing, and it was super simple to make. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.